Have you ever wondered if time works the same way everywhere in the universe? It's a mind-bending question, but the answer is a definite no. Time actually moves slower in space, and it's not just science fiction. This is a real phenomenon called time dilation, a key prediction of Einstein's theory of relativity. So how does it work? Einstein realized that gravity isn't just a force pulling things down. It's a curvature in the very fabric of space-time. Imagine a bowling ball on a trampoline. It creates a dip, and marbles rolling nearby will curve towards it. Massive objects like planets and stars do the same thing to space-time. The stronger the gravity, the deeper the curve, and the slower time passes. This means that for someone on a spaceship far from Earth's gravity, their clock would tick just a tiny bit faster than ours. But the effect becomes much more dramatic near supermassive objects like black holes. If you could orbit a black hole without being pulled in, time for you would slow down dramatically compared to everyone back on Earth. But how do we know this is real and not just a wild theory? We've actually tested it. One of the most famous experiments involved two incredibly precise atomic clocks. One clock was left on Earth, while the other was flown around the world on a jet airplane. When the plane landed and the clocks were compared, the clock that had been flying was slightly behind the one on the ground. It had experienced less gravity and higher speed, both of which affect the flow of time according to relativity. Even the GPS in your phone has to account for this. The satellites orbiting Earth are in a weaker gravitational field, so their internal clocks run faster than ours. If engineers didn't constantly adjust for this time difference, your GPS would become inaccurate by several miles every single day. So, the next time you use your phone for directions, remember that you're using a practical application of one of the most profound discoveries about the nature of time and space. The universe is truly a strange and wonderful place. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing science. See you next time.